Okay, here is your Hoofer Time Step starting on the left foot. So in this lesson, we are going to continue working on the Hoofer Time Step. And we are now going to reverse it so that it's going to start with the step on the left foot instead of the step on the right. So you start with your step, stomple, step, stomple, step, stomple, step, flap, flap. So putting it all together, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Okay, let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Now we have the extra stomps we're adding to the beginning, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Okay, so let's go back and do the first two together. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8 steps, stomple, step, stomple, step, stomple, step, fall lap, stomp, 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 stomple, step, stomple, step, stomple, step, fall lap. Now we have that syncopated section, so you're doing left, right, left, and then spanking on the right foot, spank, step, stomp, spank, step, stomp, spank, step, fall lap, fall lap. Just that last one again. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and step. Do that again. 5, 6, 7, stomp, 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 spank, step, stomp, spank, step, stomp, spank, step, fall lap, fall lap. All right, let's put all three together. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8 steps, stomple, step, stomple, step, stomple, step, fall lap, stomp, 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 stomple, step, stomple, step, stomple, step, fall lap, and 8 and 1, spank, step, stomple, step, stomple, step, fall lap. Okay, this takes us to the break. It's the same break, except it's reversed now. So you're going left, dig, scuff, back, flap, front flap. You're doing that maxi, shuffle, step, step. This time, you're just gonna step on that right foot and say, ta-da. This is actually the end of the routine. So now you have learned all the time steps I cover in 2.6 and 2.7. So walking through the whole Hoofer time step, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8 steps, stomple, step, stomple, step, stomple, step, fall lap, stomp, 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 stomple, step, stomple, step, stomple, step, fall lap, stomp, 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 stomple, step, stomple, step, stomple, step, fall lap, stomp, 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 dig, scuff, back, flap, front flap, shuffle, step, step, step. Okay, let's go through it and swing the rhythm. So instead of that nice even and 8 and 1 and 2, we're going to be going and getting that syncopation in there with that swung rhythm. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, 6, 7, a 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, a 8, and a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, a 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, walk through that one more time. We did that a little fast, maybe slow it down. So you've got 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, 6, 7, a 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, a 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, 6, 7, a 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so let's walk through the Hoofer Time Step starting with the left foot 2 more times, once with an even rhythm and once with a swinging rhythm. So the even rhythm first, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and a 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, going through the same thing, swinging it at this time. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, 6, 7, a 8, and a 1, a 2, a 3, a 5, 6, 7, a 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,